Hi friends, welcome back to the channel iQOO. In today's video to compare the always-on display features between the Poco F3 GT versus iQOO 7 device. Let's see friends which phone has got what type of features and which phone is really good in terms of the always-on display functionality. And let me try to quickly open the both phones. So first you need to go to the settings option in both devices, and then you'll be able to find the option which is called the always-on display. Right now in the iQOO 7 as well, you can actually find the option inside the lock screen. As you can see, now you'll be able to use the always on display functionality. So first let's explore what is the time frame, how much time you can actually choose the always on display. So you can actually have the 10 seconds after tapping, and you can enable always showing the always on display in the Poco F3 GT, and you can actually schedule the time as well. These are the three options you're having in the Poco F3 GT. Now in the iQOO 7 device, what are the options you are having in the display mode? So first is move the phone slightly to display the always on display, schedule the time, and display all the day. So this option, which is also similar to the Poco F3 GT as well. As you can see friends, move the phone slightly to get this kind of benefit. Let me quickly show you how it works. So right now there's a phone right now, and if you try to move the phone, so it will definitely turn on the always on display and it will try to show you. Right now I did move the phone. As you can see, it got enabled right now. As you can see, now you'll be able to see always on display for a few seconds, maybe for 5 seconds, I think so, 5 or 4 seconds. But in the Poco F3 GT, you do have the 10 seconds of time frame. That's the one thing. So in terms of the customization, I think both phones are having similar kind of options in terms of the enabling the always on display. So now regarding the styles, what are the styles you're having? So in terms of the styles option, so there's so many styles you can actually find in the Poco F3 GT, and even not only in the iQOO 7 device, it's really good in terms of having this kind of so much in-depth customization in the iQOO 7 device. It feels like there are not many options in this iQOO 7 device, but still you are having really very good options. So for example, let me try to select this time option clock. As you can see, so in this clock option, you can actually have the background. You can actually set different backgrounds, what type of background you want. As you can see friends, there are so many backgrounds you can actually customize, as you can see, which is really cool. And you can even change the colors of the text of the clock as well. As you can see, digital clock, and the numbering position. As you can see, different positions and different styles on the single clock, as you can see. And there's another slightly live wallpaper type always on display is present. As you can see the waves, it started to move a little bit. As you can see, it started to move. And there's an option which is called the personalized styles as well. There are different modes which you can actually select from, as you can see. As you can see friends, this is how it looks, the always on display in the iQOO 7 device, which is really good, really cool. I did like this kind of animations in this phone especially. And apart from that, whenever you tap on this kind of options, as you can see, all the bottom options, you do get extra benefits as well. So for example, if you try to tap on this one, you do get the 2 extra options, which is a sticker and which is the color mode. If you try to click on the color, you can actually change the color of the time. And if you try to click on the sticker mode, you do get different stickers available, as you can see friends. Different, and you can actually customize your own. I mean, you can actually add your own images, and you can actually do that. As you can see, that's another benefit you can actually have. As you can see friends, in case if you want to customize, let me try to slightly zoom it in. Let's see whether we can actually zoom or not. Yes, we can actually zoom. As you can see friends, this is how it looks, the customized image as well. And next option is also similar like that, watch face. And there's plenty of customization you can actually do in the iQOO 7 device. In the initial time, I did expect, looking at the small menu, that there won't be that much of customization, but later I started to use, and then I did understand there's so much of customization which is available in this phone, in the iQOO 7 device at this point. As you can see friends, you can actually enter your own text and your time. You can customize your location, what type of placement you want, as you can see. And you can write your own text, and you can actually apply in this way as well. As you can see friends, iQOO in this way. So now let's move to the next customization in the Poco F3 GT. What are the customization options which is present in the Poco F3 GT? So in the Poco F3 GT, which we do know similar because of the MIUI, which we did see previous MIUI phones as well. So same kind of customization you can actually find here as well. So first thing, you do get the option which is a customized image. So directly you can actually add the image, and you can actually set the customizable always on display functionality in this Poco F3 GT. That's also another advantage here. And what are the themes you have selected previously that will definitely display here in the My Themes section. As you can see, these are my previously 5 themes which I selected. So in this way you'll be able to directly select the theme. So every time you don't need to select the images for the always on display. That's a very good option. And you do have the text written as well, and there's analog clocks, and there's a small live kind of always on display is going on in this segment, as you can see. Similar to what we found in the iQOO sound device as well in terms of the fun touch UI. And these are the digital clock which we are having different modes and styles. And once you tap on that, you do have the customization to enable and disable the battery segment and the notifications and everything. As you can see, you can customize even the color of the text as well of the time, as you can see. So both phones are having really good in terms of the customization options. There is no proper menu which is present in the iQOO sound device. That's the one thing which is actually missing in this iQOO sound device, because in the Poco F3 GT in this MIUI 12.5, it's pretty straightforward if you want to add the custom image, as you can see. But whereas in the Fun Touch UI in this iQOO sound device, you need to find out the option where it enables us to add the image, because in every segment you cannot add the image at all. You don't get that kind of custom options. As you can see, you don't get, but only in this 4th option, there only you will get this kind of option which enabling the custom option, as you can see in the 4th. So in this way you'll be able to add your own custom image. So this is the 4th option, not in everything. You don't get in everything, there is no custom available. This is the one, the organization of the menu is not that great when compared with the MIUI. So maybe next in the future updates, we might see better organization in terms of the always on display features in this iQOO sound device. So overall in terms of the features and everything, it was really good, but the MIUI was able to organize everything properly and clear. That's the one thing which I did like in the MIUI 12.5 in this device. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. And here you do have the option to disable and enable the phone messages and phone calls as well, as you can see. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.